now I still have to go up and meet the driver that I'm swapping the load with, and then get myself to Little Rock. And I got just a little under 4 hours to do it. Well, we're finally getting the heck out of here. You know, it's only been 24 hours. You know, it should not have taken that long to lift these pieces off the truck, but because some of their own employees did something wrong, everybody else has got to suffer for it. Oh well, that's the way it usually goes, right? Okie doke. Alright, so I got the truck all secure, legal for the road, nothing's gonna fall off. Gonna head back on over to the yeah, slow down there, meathead. So wanting to turn that he just couldn't wait half a second till I got out there. Wow. All right, so you know, we're gonna go back to the Flying J here. Gonna send in our Qualcomm info, put in our detention pay request, and then we're going to see where they're going to send us next. All right. Well, here we are again. Been through here several times. And so we're coming back through here through the off of I-55. Was it 302, whatever it is. So we're going to turn here onto Shelby Drive, Tennessee 175. We're going over here to West Memphis and back in Arkansas. Snyder going slow, but rather than go slow and safe, then tip over and delay me even more. Alrighty. Well, I just turned the truck off, went back into the bunk to, you know, get out of the hot sun. You know, lay back and, you know, then as soon as I, you know, get my hat off, my glasses off, you know, then he comes right up to the door, honking his horn. Get around here, and so we are going to get ourselves loaded. And we're going to slide our tandems back before we get in the last position. Yeah, I'm gonna pull my tandems on my stuff short. Okay. Well, we finally got loaded. Got this chain link fence garbage. It is now now 6 o'clock. No, 10 minutes to 6. Finally leaving here. Ridiculous that it took this long to get loaded. I mean, got here just about 1 o'clock. It's now 6 before I'm just leaving. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. And now I still have to go up and meet the driver that I'm swapping the load with, and then get myself to Little Rock. And I got just a little under 4 hours to do it. All right. So we got a couple miles off the road here. Get to the Pilot Flying J, or whatever it is up here. See if we can't locate this guy. Get our swap done as fast as possible. Get rid of this chain link fence for whatever this guy's carrying. No freaking idea. So it is, just a little after 6 o'clock, 2 minutes after 6. I still got 3 hours and 50 minutes on my clock to get up here, swap the trailers, get myself over to Little Rock. I have reserved a parking spot over there. So, it doesn't, it's going to be well after 8, 8:30 or whatnot when I pull in there, so. got our load repowered. Now we're heading off to Little Rock. We got 3 hours on the clock, 120 miles to go. Basically, we need 2 hours to get there, so we have a little bit of time on the road. Hopefully nothing happens. But we have a spot reserved for us out there. Alrighty. Got ourselves swapped out there in West Memphis. We are just about an hour away from Little Rock.